Hey guys, this is Joe from Mainline Overland. Today we're up at our Bow, New Hampshire facility and I wanted to show you around two of the vans that we have in our shop right now. This Winnebago Revel on my left here just got Van Compass's 4.3 suspension kit, and this Stealth Mode Storyteller got Van Compass's 6.3 suspension kit. So today I just wanted to show you around both of those kits and show you some of the advantages between these two suspensions. So on Van Compass's 4.3 kit, we're seeing about 1.25 inch lift in the rear, and up front is staying about the same. So it's kind of like a leveling kit, getting your van to sit level, especially with people add all that extra weight in the rear. When this truck leaves Winnebago, it has the stock Mercedes suspension on it, and they haven't factored in any of the additional upgrades that are in the rear. So a lot of people bring their van to us and get it on a proper suspension with all the additional weight. So with this kit, we get 1.25 inch lift in the rear, and up front is about stays the same. So moving over to the 6.3 kit, this kit utilizes the same Falcon adjustable shocks in the front and the back. And just like this kit, the leaf springs are specable to the weight of your van, so we can kind of get that dialed in perfectly. But the big difference between these kits is the 6.3 kit includes subframe spacer lift. So in the 4.3 kit, we were seeing about 1.25 inch lift in the rear with nothing up front. On the 6.3 kit, we're seeing about 2 inches of lift all the way around. So if you're looking to run a bigger tire than a 275/70, the 6.3 kit is definitely the way to go. So the last big advantage to the 6.3 kit over the 4.3 kit is with the subframe spacer lift, you're actually getting your driveline angles and CV angles back to factory levels. So that's going to increase longevity of the whole driveline system, as well as increase on-road driving manners, and it's going to give you overall a better ride. If you're looking to improve the off-road performance and on-road comfort of your Sprinter van, either of these Van Compass kits would be a great solution. If you're looking to get one of these kits for your Sprinter van, click the link below and one of our sales experts will be happy to help you out, answer any questions and get you some quotes on an install like this.